rule for 2. I am taking this number as an example to show you all these divisibility rules. First, I will show you the number 2, the divisibility rule for 2. For divisibility of 2, you have to check the last digit, which is the ones place. If the ones place ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then it is said to be divisible by 2. Does the last digit end with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8? Yes, it ends with 0. 0 is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now let's see the divisibility of 3. For divisibility of 3, we have to add all the digits and check whether it is divisible by 3. So let's add 10, 19, 27. When I add all these numbers, I get plus 3 plus 8 plus 0, I get 27. Does 27 comes in 3 table? Yes, 27 comes in 3 table. If you don't know to find whether it is in 3 table, then there is another method. Add these both. So when I add 2 plus 7, I get 9. We know that 3 times 3 is 9. So 4,57,380 is divisible by 3. Now let's see the divisibility of 4. For divisibility of 4, you have to check the last 2 digits, 80. Then you have to divide that number by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So I calculate it. And then I bring 0. Is divisible by 4. Then 4,57,380 is divisible by 4. Let's see the divisibility of 5. If the last digit, which is the ones place, ends in 0 or 5, then it is divisible by 5. Does the last digit, which is the ones place, ends with 0 or 5? Yes. So it is divisible by 5. Now let's see the divisibility of 6. If the number is divisible by 2 and 3, then it is divisible by 6. Yes, it is divisible by 2 and 3. So it is also divisible by 6. Now let's see the divisibility of 7. Whatever number is given, you have to take the last digit and multiply it by 2. 8 minus 0, it is 8, 3, 7, 5 and 4. Next, again take the last digit, multiply it by 2. I get the answer as 16 minus it. This becomes 6. This becomes 13. So 7. This is 5. 5. 4. Again, you have to take the last digit, multiply it by 2. I get 14. Minus it 1. 4. 4. Again take the last digit, multiply it by 2. When I multiply it by 2, the answer is 2. I have to minus by 2. So 2, 42. Does 42 comes in 7 table? Yes. If 0, 7 or multiples of 7 comes at the last digit, then you have to stop. So 42 comes in 7 table. So 4,57,380 is also divisible by 7. Now let's see the divisibility of 8. divide by 8. There is no other easy way. 8 times 4 is 32. I have 6, 0, 60. So 7 comes here, 56. Then when I minus it is 5, 0. It has a reminder. So the number is not divisible by 8. Now let's see the divisibility of 9. The divisibility of 9 is same like 3. We have to add all the digits and check whether it is divisible by 9. So when I add them, I get the answer as 27. Does 27 come in 9 table? Yes. So 4,57,380 is divisible by 9. Now let's see the divisibility of 10. If the last digit, which is the ones place, ends in 0, then the number is divisible by 10. So 4,57,380 is divisible by 10. Now let's see the divisibility of 11. First step, what you have to do is underline the odd digits, circle the even digits. So underline the odd digits and circle the even digits. Now add the odd digits and the even digits separately. Which is the odd digit and the even digit. So even digit is 4 plus 7 plus 8. 8 and this 4 plus 7. If 0, 11 or multiples of 11 comes after subtracting, I got 11. So it is then the number is divisible by 11. So yes, 4,57,380 is divisible by 11. Now let's see the divisibility of 12. If the number is divisible by 3 and 4, then it is divisible by 12. Yes, it is divisible by 3 and 4, so it is divisible by 12. Now let's see the divisibility of 13. You have to take the last digit, multiply it by 4. Then add that number. You should not subtract that number, you have to add that number. If the answer comes as 0, 13 or the multiples of 13, then it is divisible by 13. I take the last digit, multiply it by 4. So answer is 0. Minus, add it. Always remember you have to add, not subtract. You have to add for 13 and subtract for 7. 3, 7, 5, 4. Take the last digit, multiply it by 4. 32. Leave it aside. Minus it. Add it. 5, 0, 6, 4. Last digit, multiply it by 4, 20, add it, 0, 8, 4, last digit, multiply it by 4, 0, then I add it, it is 8 and 4. Does 48 comes in 13 table? No. So 4,57,380 is not divisible by 13. Now let's see the divisibility of 14. If the number is divisible by 7 and 2, then it is divisible by 14. So it is divisible by 2 and 7. So it is divisible by 14 also. Let's see the divisibility rule for 15. If the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it is divisible by 15. So that number is divisible by 15 also. For divisibility of 16, it is same like 4, 8. For 4, we saw we have to divide 2 digits, and for 8, 3 digits, and for 16, it is 4 digits. You have to divide the number by 16. 64, 6, 13, so it is 9 and 0, 8, it is 6, which is 96, 2, 0. There is a reminder. So 4,57,380 is not divisible by 16. 7, 13 and 17. They have the same rules but little different. For 17, you have to multiply the digits by 5 and then subtract it. So the answer should be 0, 17 or multiples of 17. Last digit multiplied by 5. So it is 0. Subtract 8, 3, 7, 5, 4. And then take the last digit by 4. 40, subtract it, 3, 3, 5, 4, last 5, 50. We get the remainder as 3, so 4,57,380 is not divisible by 17. We will see the divisibility rule for 18. If the number is divisible by 9 and 2, then it is divisible by 18. It is divisible by 2 and 9. So 18 is divisible. 4,57,380 is divisible by 18. For divisibility rule of 19, you have to multiply the last digit by 2 and then add it. 1, 2, 0, 3, 7, 5, 4. Then we have to again take the last digit, multiply it by 2. 16, add it, 9, 8, 5, 4, multiply it by 2, 18, 6, 1 carry over, 6, 4, last multiply it by 2, 12, 5, 3, we have 35. Does 35 come in 19 table? No. So 4,57,380 is not divisible by 19. Now we will see the divisibility rule for 20. If the number is divisible by 5 and 4, then it is divisible by 20. And let's check 4 and 5. Both are divisible by that number. So